Today, I'm going to show you how to see devices associated with your Amazon Prime Video account. This is particularly useful if you want to monitor which devices have access to your account or if you need to remove devices that you no longer use. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign into your account. After signing in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled All with 3 horizontal lines next to it. Click on that button to open the main navigation menu. From the menu that appears, locate and click on Prime Video. This will take you to the Prime Video section, but you're not quite there yet. On the left sidebar, you'll need to click Prime Video once more. This second click will fully navigate you into the Prime Video interface where you can manage your account settings. Now that you're in Prime Video, look to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Account and Settings. This section is your control center for managing various aspects of your Prime Video experience. Once you're in Account and Settings, turn your attention to the top toolbar. Here you'll see several options, and you'll want to click on Devices. This is where Amazon stores all the information about devices that are currently associated with your Prime Video account. After clicking Devices, you'll be taken to a page that displays your list of associated Prime Video devices. Although I don't have any devices associated or connected in my example, your list of associated Prime Video devices appears here, with options to sign out from any. This view allows you to see exactly which devices are using your account and gives you the ability to remove any that you no longer recognize or use. It's a great way to maintain security and ensure that only your trusted devices have access to your Prime Video content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.